Once, I followed my mom to the hypermarket, and as usual, there were two sections, the organic vegetables and the normal vegetables sections. I've always wanted to buy from the organic section because the vegetables look really fresh and appealing. But due to the tight budget, we never really got to shop there. Instead, we wake up early and spend hours choosing for the most good-looking and fresh vegetables. The routine went on and on, but one incident made me flabbergasted. I saw the shop owner dipping brinjals into colored water, and when I went there and asked what it was and got to know that it was actually a chemical that helps the veggie to be preserved longer, I was actually disappointed that it didn't feel safe to consume vegetables anymore. As I was sharing this experience with my friends, we realized something, that this was not a problem only faced by us, but everyone who wants to eat organic faces this too. On average, leafy vegetables are about 15 ringgit, while non-organic is 7 ringgit. So we wonder, why are organic vegetables an elitist product only available for certain demographics when access to organic food is essentially a human right and everyone deserves it? We realized that it was a concerning issue and had to do something about it. And it is as simple as gardening at home. But why aren't we doing it? Well, if you think about it, it's due to the lack of space, time, lack of experience, and no interest. But no worry, we're introducing to you to Fyto, your next generation gardening experience that allows you to pop in your seeds, sit back, relax, and watch your organic crops grow. It's an indoor farming kit that is fully automated and comes with a mobile app. Here are some interesting features. Firstly, its adaptive lighting helps boost the growth of the vegetables with the help of AI. Our lighting feature adapts to the condition of the plants on its growth and changes accordingly. No space at home? Don't worry. It's modular, which allows the users to tailor fit it to their own needs. As there is no such thing as one size fits all, users will be able to add more features in the future when we come up with modules. With AI monitoring, all you have to do is wait for it to grow. There's a specially formulated medium that maximizes nutrient absorption, which is also organic. Next is the Fyto app, which is integrated with the Fyto kit. By taking advantage of IoT, we're able to allow the user to monitor the device remotely via the app, while the onboard monitoring system will notify the user once the vegetables mature. But the app has other features too. First is the wiki plan, your one-stop planting library. Next is the Vegedex, where you can record your planting journey. Finally, we have Farmers Hub, a community platform where you can connect, share, explore, and learn new things about the farming world. Once we get our initial investments, the wheels have been set into motion, and we'll be pushing the product for 350 ringgit for the Fyto starter kit. The kit comes with 12 plots capable of growing 62 kilograms of organic crops annually, meaning you only have to spend 350 ringgit to get 930 ringgit worth of organic vegetables. So the users will be able to break even within a year. Our revenue streams are subscriptions from the app and the kit purchases. And with a 28% profit margin, with 1,000 users by the first year, we'll be able to break even by month 7. Fyto creates a self-sustaining community by allowing users to grow crops independently virtually anywhere, any indoor space. Furthermore, Fyto is hassle-free, so you don't have to get your hands dirty or constantly monitor it. Next, Fyto creates a stress-relieving environment. As you know, growing plants indoors can help improve your well-being in multiple ways, leading to more productive days. Lastly, Fyto grows organic crops, so users will have access to organic food without having to pay hefty price tags. If we take a look at the bigger picture, Fyto also comes in line with its 2 UN SDGs. It indirectly contributes to zero hunger as users grow their own crops that increases the productions of vegetables as the population grows and they're able to sell it. Next, it creates a sustainable city as growing your own food reduces the environmental impact of agriculture and creates greener cities because with one Fyto kit, you can reduce the greenhouse gas emissions caused by food imports.
Our target audience are those living in urban areas wanting to eat organic. As of today, globally, the total market size available is 2.2 billion. In Malaysia, we have a market size of approximately 12 million urban residents, while in Kuala Lumpur, 4 million urban residents. And as you can see, these numbers are expected to increase tremendously by 2030. Even taking 1% of the market share in Kuala Lumpur today is already a large market. So, how will our product reach the market? We will approach green housing developers, restaurants, and even supermarkets. And with the current trend of sustainability and indoor farming, users can also purchase our device via the app, social media, and online shopping platforms, allowing us to jump on the hype train. We provide online support and give users free tutorials on Fyto's Farmer Hub. However, we do acknowledge that we have competitors in the market. So, what makes us unique? Well, Fyto is customizable, allowing for infinite expansion. The Farmer's Hub and community on the app adds value to the product that allows everyone to interact and share their experience, as well as gain rewards. AI tracking allows for full automation. Data collected can be used for plant identification, and users can monitor their plants in real time and not miss out on their gardening experience. Beyond this, we have a few future plans in mind. Here at Tinker, we imagine a better, more sustainable future. And today, we have introduced to you our vision of the future. In our Fyto kits, we provide a superior quality, a one-of-a-kind gardening experience. And by democratizing organic vegetables, we provide the users the option to eat organically and more affordably. Get ready for your next generation of gardening experience. Thank you.